Let's say you've made some sales on Facebook. The next step is to fulfill those orders. This is probably the most important step in any dropshipping business. The Facebook shipping orders page is not very useful for us dropshippers. It's hard to extract buyers' addresses, difficult to search by order number or buyer's name, and not easy to figure out where to fulfill each order and keep track of the fulfillment status, especially when you get a lot of orders. Now let's take a look at how FBDS Chrome extension can help you manage and fulfill dropshipping orders with ease. First, open the extension. Go to the Orders page. Click the link, Open Orders page to import order info at the top. It will automatically open the Shipping Orders page in your browser and load the order information. When you see a green message on the web page saying Imported to Order List in FBDS, it means the order information has been collected. Once orders are loaded, you'll be able to search by order number or by buyer name. Using the drop-down filter, you can show the New Orders Only. The next step is to fulfill these orders. For FBDS products, this is really easy. All it takes is a few clicks. When you fulfill through FBDS Chrome extension, you also get a lot of other benefits, such as an exclusive discount, free shipping, single payment to fulfill multiple orders, and more. Now let's fulfill the new orders. Click into Order Details in the extension. If the product is sourced from FBDS, you'll get the Direct Fulfillment option. Click the button, Fulfill through FBDS Direct, and save. You'll be able to create a fulfillment order draft, aka FOD. If the buyer's address has been loaded, the Ship To address field will be filled automatically. The first time you create an FOD, you'll need to enter your billing address. This will be automatically populated in the future. Click Create FOD, and you'll have created one. Keep in mind at this point, your order is just a draft and you haven't paid anything yet. The order won't be filled until you complete the payment later. Following the same process, you can create another FOD for another order. You can see how easy this process is. When you're done creating FODs for all the new orders, now you can make the payment. At the top of the orders page, you can see how many FODs have been created. Click there, and you'll be able to create a payment order for all the unpaid FODs. This is extremely convenient because otherwise you'd have to make separate payments for each individual order. Many e-commerce platforms and credit card companies don't like frequent payments with different shipping addresses, and they tend to block such kind of transactions. But with us, you can make a single payment to fulfill a whole bunch of orders with different shipping addresses. Click Complete Payment, and you'll be taken to the Shopify payment portal, where you can complete your payment securely. Note that your sensitive payment information will be handled by Shopify directly and won't be stored anywhere in our system. Once you complete your payment, the FODs will be gone and the corresponding order status will change from FOD created to fulfilled, fulfillment order placed. This process might take a few minutes. Now you've done the fulfillment of the orders. In most cases, you'll get a USPS tracking code for each fulfillment order within 1 business day. Next, let's talk about how to enter the tracking code on Facebook and mark the order as shipped. Once the fulfillment order is shipped, you'll get an email notification from FBDS, and the tracking code will be automatically imported into the FBDS Chrome extension. Keep in mind that you'll need to mark an order as shipped within 3 business days on Facebook. Otherwise, the order will be canceled. Now let's see how we can use the FBDS Chrome extension to complete this process. First, open up the extension, go to the Orders page, use the drop-down filter to show orders that are fulfilled and fulfillment orders shipped. Click into Order Details. Note that the USPS tracking code is already there. Click Mark as Shipped, and you'll open the order detail page on Facebook. Copy the tracking code and enter it by clicking Mark it as Shipped on Facebook. Once it's done, the order status in the extension will be updated to Shipped automatically. Occasionally, the UI may not update itself if you close the order detail page too quickly. In that case, just click the refresh button on the upper right corner of the orders page to update the status. Congratulations, you've now completed an order. Facebook will deposit the money for this order in your bank account within a few days.